Today we're spending the day with Sean's family at the Garrison Savannah to watch some horse races. The Garrison Savannah, which is located in the capital city of Bridgetown, is the oldest horse racing track in the Caribbean, dating back to the 19th century. The sport has a dedicated following among Bajans, with family and friends having a long-standing tradition of attending races together. Stay tuned to see if we win some money or go home empty-handed.
I look at your horse and I see muscles, back muscles, so good as that money and then lose all your joint.
So I'll go with the horse you don't go for.
Yeah, have you ever won?
Yeah.
Number 4. Well, 1.
4 is the shortest side.
Well, shorter side. Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
So then that would mean.
Let's look at the book.
Every race has a program that lists information about the races, the horses, and their previous racing stats. Sean's uncle is trying to teach us how to use this information to bet on horses.
Oh, okay.
And this is the other day's race. Its positions. Fourth, the last time out. 1.5 minutes behind the winner. And so on.
Okay, because there's only 7 horses, we only could do first or second.
Yes.
Okay.
Damn. So that makes it a hard bet.
It makes it more difficult to get money, yes.
And
the probability is still higher overall,
but then the screen shows the odds. So like number 1 is a 1 to 2 odds.
It's 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
2 to 1. So
Yeah.
$2
to $1.
to $1.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you bet $1, which is the place.
Yeah.
You see how they ran in the last set of races.
Okay.
This column is the rating. The rating of the horse that won.
7 is
So what's your thoughts on number 6, your aunt's pick?
I don't know about Life is Great. Oh wait, Life is Great plays second? Is that right? Life is Great plays second in the 27th?
At the same distance.
Okay.
Same distance.
So it rates second place?
Life is Great is actually pretty good. Even though it has the lowest rating.
Before each race, you have to get up and place your bet. You also come here to collect your winnings.
Golden touches come to the front. On the outside here, Seeking Adventure. Life is Great is there. Then roll more turns as Seeking Adventures come to the front. On the outside, Life is Great. It is Seeking Adventure from Life is Great. On the inside, Golden touch.
Golden touch! Golden touch! Come on! Our horse got 3rd place.
I'm still happy, man. Golden Touch. There's something special about Golden Touch. My aunt won. I'm happy my aunt won.
Y'all should have bet on Seeking Adventures because y'all always seeking adventures.
Seeking discomfort.
Well, is it the same horses for the next round? Now we gotta go back to the drawing board. Horses.
Sandra got $3.
Oh, you won $3.
On her $2.
Get back my $2.
Yeah. You get $1.05.
Yeah, but if they had $10
Yeah. See, now if she bet $10, she would have made a lot more money.
We'll say at the beginning of every race, the horses do this little loop to show off. They do this little walk to show what they look like, so people to see.
Yeah, Yeah, they're on parade. So you can make a choice from
The parading.
some people just look at them.
Oh no, Ford's doing the same thing. 8 looks great. 3 looks good. What? Sandra's gonna win again? Come on, come on, come on. Oh my goodness. Where's 7? 7! Come on. Come on.
Amazing King.
Come on.
But we didn't choose Amazing King. No! 7. No!
What? We are into the red. We are into the. Yeah, you gotta. She does this all the time.
She won again. We bet $10 on this race, on this horse. So we better win.
$5, $10 Bajan dollars. Come on. Oh, come on.
On my lap.
Woo! Come on. Come on, King Canoe. Come on. Come on.
We won. Like $1.
Yeah, we bet $1, so we get nothing. We got like 30, probably 5 cents or something like that. But we won.
Who walked it?
King Canoe, number 8. I can't. King Canoe won, number 8. All right. There she is. All right. Got it.
Alright, Sean's betting. We're betting separately. 5.
I think show the money is good. This is a small race. It's 7 horses. So I think smart money.
I'm betting off of vibes. When they bring the horses for the little showcase, show off, I just choose one based on vibes.
We'll see. We'll see. All right, 5 to place number 1. Thank you. Where's my horse? Where's my horse?
I won. Last race, who won by herself? My money. Sean did. We don't know where his horse went.
It was 3rd place, right? It was 3rd place.
I bet 9 Bajan on number 4 or Barbadian dollars, and I got 23.25.
Next race day is next month. You're coming up.
She's a certified gambler now.
I won big.
Well,
I won
you
big.
doubled your money.
I doubled my money.
I didn't win big, but I got money back. Right, I got 7 Bajan right here. I got that from $5 Bajan, so that's like profit right there. I'm just happy not to lose all the money. Like at the end of the day, that's what it's all about.
But you didn't get first place. I got first place.
I got first place once.
Did you?
It just didn't matter as much. Yeah. It was $1 that I won first place. So, the one time I bet $1 was first place.
The next day, we got up at sunrise to see if we could find the horses from yesterday at the beach with their trainers.
We were going the wrong way. So the right way is towards the Radisson and the Hilton. When we got out, we should have went left instead of right. Where it says Pebbles Beach is way back there, but we need to go the other way.
Okay, so that is the end of our day at the racetrack. We showed you how much fun we had at the racetrack, where the horses spend their mornings. And after talking to some of the trainers, you can really tell they're well cared for and loved. And they were talking about how much they love animals and kissing up on the horses and just petting them and really making sure they get the VIP treatment with scrubs and wash downs and etc.
So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. We just made it to 500 subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing. Now we're going to try and make it to 1,000 subscribers. So subscribe, and thank you for all your support. We'll see you in the next one.